The strangest animals you've never heard of. The animal kingdom is vast and varied, with creatures so unique and bizarre that they challenge our imagination. While lions, tigers, and elephants capture much of the spotlight, there exists a fascinating array of lesser-known animals that are equally, if not more, intriguing. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into some of the strangest animals you've never heard of, their extraordinary adaptations, and the environments they call home. 1. Dobintonia madagascariensis. Habitat. Madagascar. The is a nocturnal primate native to Madagascar. Known for its peculiar appearance, the has large, bat-like ears, rodent-like teeth, and an elongated middle finger. This finger is used to tap on tree trunks to locate insects and then extract them, making the a natural pest controller. Despite its ecological importance, local folklore often labels the as an omen of bad luck, leading to its persecution. 2. Axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum. Habitat. Lakes in Mexico, e.g., Lake Xochimilco. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is a salamander with a twist. It remains in its larval stage for its entire life. Axolotls possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts and brains. This trait has made them a focus of scientific research. Their feathery external gills and perpetual smile make them a favorite in the exotic pet trade. 3. Saiga antelope, Saiga tatarica. Habitat. Central Asia. The saiga antelope is instantly recognizable due to its oversized, bulbous nose, which serves a practical purpose, filtering dust and regulating air temperature. Found in the steppes of Central Asia, saigas are critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease outbreaks. Their bizarre appearance and unique adaptations make them a symbol of resilience in harsh environments. 4. Star-nosed mole, Condylora cristata. Habitat. Wetlands of North America. The star-nosed mole is a small mammal that seems like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Its star-shaped nose, equipped with 22 fleshy appendages, is packed with sensory receptors that allow it to detect prey with incredible speed. In fact, it's considered the fastest-eating mammal on Earth, capable of identifying and consuming prey in less than a second. 5. Pangolin family. Manatee. Habitat. Africa and Asia. Often mistaken for reptiles, pangolins are mammals covered in large, keratin scales. They are solitary and nocturnal, feeding primarily on ants and termites using their long, sticky tongues. When threatened, pangolins roll into a tight ball, using their scales as armor. Unfortunately, they are the most trafficked mammals in the world due to demand for their scales and meat. 6. Blobfish, Psychroludes marcatus. Habitat. Deep-sea waters off Australia and New Zealand. Dubbed the world's ugliest animal, the blobfish lives in the deep sea, where high pressure compresses its gelatinous body into a more streamlined shape. When brought to the surface, it appears saggy and amorphous, but this ugliness is a byproduct of decompression. Despite its unappealing appearance, the blobfish plays an essential role in its ecosystem. 7. Olm, Proteus anguinus. Habitat. Underwater caves in Europe. The olm is a blind, cave-dwelling amphibian that can live for over 100 years. Adapted to complete darkness, it has pale, translucent skin and highly sensitive ears and noses to detect prey. Sometimes called the human fish, because of its skin tone, the olm can survive without food for up to a decade, an adaptation to its nutrient-scarce environment. 8. Thorny devil, Moloch horridus. Habitat. Australian deserts. The thorny devil is a small lizard covered in spikes that help it blend into its arid surroundings and deter predators. This remarkable creature has grooves on its skin that channel water directly to its mouth, allowing it to drink from dew or rain. Its diet consists exclusively of ants, and it can consume thousands in a single meal. 9. Narwhal, Monodon monoceros. Habitat. Arctic waters. Known as the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal is a whale with a long, spiral tusk protruding from its head. This tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth, can grow up to 10 feet long and contains millions of nerve endings. While its exact function remains a mystery, theories range from sensory perception to use in mating rituals. 10. Shoebill stork, Baleniceps rex. Habitat. Swamps in East Africa. The shoebill stork is a prehistoric-looking bird with a massive, shoe-shaped bill. Standing up to 5 feet tall, it is known for its eerie stillness and slow movements while hunting. Shoebills feed on fish, amphibians, and even small crocodiles. Their intimidating appearance and unusual behaviors make them a favorite among bird enthusiasts. 11. Goblin shark, Mitscarina ostoni. Habitat. Deep-sea waters worldwide. The goblin shark is a living fossil, with a lineage dating back 125 million years. Its most distinctive feature is its elongated snout and protrusible jaws, which can snap forward to capture prey. This deep-sea predator is rarely seen by humans, adding to its mystique. 12. Leafy sea dragon, Phycodurus equi. Habitat. Coastal waters of southern Australia. The leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise, resembling a piece of drifting seaweed. This camouflage helps it evade predators in its kelp forest habitat. Unlike seahorses, leafy sea dragons do not have a prehensile tail but share the unique trait of males carrying and incubating eggs. 13. Japanese spider crab, Macrocheira kempferi. Habitat. Deep waters around Japan. The Japanese spider crab is the largest arthropod in the world, with a leg span of up to 13 feet. Despite its intimidating size, it is a scavenger, feeding on plant material and dead animals. These crabs are considered a delicacy in Japan but are also culturally significant. 14. Tufted deer, Eliphodus cephalophus. Habitat. Forests of China and Myanmar. This small deer is known for its fang-like canines, which give it a vampire-like appearance. Males use these fangs during mating season to compete for females. The tufted deer is elusive and rarely seen, making it one of the more mysterious members of the deer family. 15. Kakapo, Strigops habroctylus. Habitat. New Zealand. The kakapo, or night parrot, is a flightless, nocturnal bird that is critically endangered. Weighing up to 9 pounds, it is the heaviest parrot in the world. Kakapos have a unique musky odor and use a booming call to attract mates. Conservation efforts are underway to save this charismatic bird. Conclusion. The world is brimming with extraordinary creatures, each with unique adaptations and stories to tell. By learning about these strange and often overlooked animals, we not only expand our understanding of biodiversity but also recognize the importance of preserving these species and their habitats. From the depths of the ocean to the isolated forests of Madagascar, these animals remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth.